Hello guys, and welcome in another MCK Auto video where we showcase you the best bulbs that we find on the market. Only leave the quality ones, trying to improve all the time. If some bulbs are not good, then we simply don't order them anymore. Try to bring you quality, price, the best that we can. And in this video I'm gonna show you our newest H6W bulbs, 3020 chips on them. So let's dive right in. So this H6W bulbs we just got a couple months ago. I was testing them heavily and also put them on Amazon, where they gained a lot of very good reviews very fast. I was surprised. This is our best bulb that gained so many good reviews at very short time. There was one guy that I'm saying hello now to this guy. Big shout out to the guy from Amazon that broke the bulb on purpose, damaged it, smashed it, bent it, and then put a review of 1 star. Until that moment, those bulbs had 5-star reviews only. I think 18 of them or 19. Now they're about 30 or 40 reviews. And there is one 1-star review from a guy that basically smashed them, and I really think that's a competition, but nevertheless, other reviews will obviously offset that. The bulbs are selling very good. There is no returns from them. They're very high quality. The current is also pushed higher, so more cars will accept them, will work with them. But like I always said, guys, CanBus doesn't mean that the bulbs will work on any car. CanBus is just a system, and each car has different requirements, different current requirements, so you just have to be sure, check. We're trying to get it right, get the confirmed cars, get them on the list of compatibility. I'm sure they're gonna work perfectly on BMW F30 F20, probably some other cars like Audi A3 with the reverse. And there are many cars that they will work, but there are some cars that they simply won't work and they will throw errors, so you just have to be wary of that. Check the description, check the compatibility list, and hopefully you can find the ones that work for you. So I'm just gonna show you how they look inside. You see that bluish hint to them. They are really bright, much brighter than our other ones, but also have that bluish hint to them, and they're really nice, crisp white, which is not too strong, too hard. You can see our other bulbs as well, the H7 and the PW24W, that you can also purchase from our link below down in the comments. Sorry, the lamp is a bit scratched. I need to polish it. I just bought a used one. So as you can see, the bulb here is really nice, really crisp, really white. I'm just gonna show you in a second how to install it so you don't make the same mistake as the guy that gave us 1 star. I don't know how he managed to force the bulb so hard that he bent the whole thing. So I'm just gonna show you quickly how to install them on BMW F30. It's the same way on all the cars that use H6W bulbs. So as you can see here, the bulb, it's got 4 chips on each side, 2 on top and then extra 2 on each smaller sides basically. So that's 14 SMDs, 14 of them small chips in total. That's a lot of them on each side, so they give that nice 180-degree light output, which is basically shining each direction. The bulbs are bare, there is no now extra things on them, and it's even showing like here, the inside is empty. Basically that's because of heat dissipation. There is no point putting on the small bulbs like that an extra heat sinks, because they don't produce that much heat, but at least give it more like breathing space, so the heat can just basically leave the bulb and faster, and make it don't allow it to basically burn the chips if it will be too hot on the bulb. So when you install them, make sure you pull that out, you twist it, so when it's inside you twist it counterclockwise, pull it out. Then when you have the bulb has pins on it, so obviously check the pins on the holder itself as well. slide it in the way the pins are showing, so it goes nicely in, and always push the bulb a little bit down and then twist it. So it's very simple. It's impossible to damage it unless the bulb would be soldered badly somewhere around here. Then obviously contact us, we'll send out replacement immediately. But if not, then it's just a simple, you know, push and twist. I can do it, you know, many times. There's nothing playing there, no movement, only from, you know, the socket. But when you've got the bulb, just put it correctly with the pins, push it down, twist it, and then it stays in place. And then you push it inside the lamp. You can look from the front as well. If it's gone in, you just wiggle it a bit, go in. You push it inside and twist it clockwise this time, just a little bit, just like 20 degrees. That kind of movement, that's it, that's all you need to do, and the bulb is ready. So thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed. You can find all the links below. Thank you for your support, and we're gonna try our best, you know, to bring you more very good quality bulbs, and hope you'll be happy. Anything, let us know, and we'll definitely sort any issue ASAP. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Look us out.